very small amount of water, and now the water is very diluted, so the paint is not sticking on the wall. It's as if I'm doing zero work. Like when I apply the paint, it's like going down like water. It's not coming out the way I want. Now I'm confused. Seriously, I have not done this before and I feel confused. Now I will have to go to the shop and buy another undercoat because this one is so diluted as it is. So guys, that wall, I don't know which color I have to paint there. I will paint there. So maybe I'll paint white and that other color which is brown and white on this wall, which like the window side. I think I'll just paint white there and white on that other wall. Then here I paint brown, and this other wall I paint another brown, but I'm not sure. I'll just know on the way. So what I want to do, I want to put the undercoat on all the walls, then I'll start painting. So this is my chairs. I have put them together like that, and I have removed all the paintings on the wall except for this TV because I don't know how to mount it like that. I have to call the fundi again to come and mount it. So I was like, nah, I'm not going to remove the TV. And those birds, they need to go. It's time for you to go, buddy. So guys, these are the paints which I bought, and I also bought this brush which I'll be using. Yeah, this brush which I'll be using for painting. I have never used it before, but I will try and see how it will go. And this is the undercoat. Yeah, this is the undercoat, and I'm not sure because I bought white also, so but it's one Bosco value. Yeah, I guess this is the undercoat, and this is the white which I will be cleaning. And I also have this Vine silk. That's what I'm going to clean. So I'm going to mix this color with water. This is the one you mix with water. So I'll just mix and I will start painting. I also bought this apron here. This is the apron which I'm going to wear and start doing the job. And I did not know what to use.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
For getting, at least they could have sold me something. Now I will have to use my makeup because there is no other way. There is nothing I can do about it.
Jesus!
So this is what I'm going to use. it backfired because I put a lot of water.
Look at you. Eh?
And I was not supposed to put that amount of water because this thing here, it's like 1 liter, and I put just a very small amount of water. And now the water is very diluted, so the paint is not sticking on the wall. It's as if I'm doing zero work. Like when I apply the paint, it's like going down like water. It's not coming out the way I want to. Now I'm confused. Seriously, I have not done this before and I feel confused. Now I will have to go to the shop and buy another undercoat.
What kind of human being is this?
This one is so diluted as it is. I cannot even use it. Like, seriously. Guys! What the? Let me try and see if it will work. Maybe it will work. Guys. Hey! I was making fool of myself. Do you know, like, I added a lot of paint. I added a lot of water in the paint. And then the paint was so light. And I did not know, instead of like putting the paint first, then I mix, checking if it's thick enough or if it's too light. I put the water first and I put the paint and then I diluted everything, so I cannot use that paint again. So I'm going to the hardware shop to buy another undercoat so that I can go and finish the job. I'm so tired because it was back and forth, applying the color, and then the color was going down, applying it again, the color was going down. I want to find someone who can help me to paint, because if I don't do it, I think if I don't finish it today, I think I will never finish. It has been raining, as you can see, everywhere is muddy, everywhere is water. Yeah, so let me just go and find a guy who can just do it for me, and I will make sure to see what the fundi is doing, so that next time I will be able to do it myself, and somehow I don't feel like I have failed, I have not failed, seriously, and I even feel so proud of myself that I tried and I really wanted to do it myself, but I was not to do it myself, to tell you, like, honestly. So yeah, it's better to die trying something but to live for nothing. I have tried and these are not experience for me, So let's talk about yesterday, guys. So I wanted to paint myself, but the fire backfired and I had to go and call the fundi, as you saw. And the fundi came very, very late at night. He came here around 9 and we started painting. And you know what, guys? We painted until 1 in the morning. Oh my god, it was crazy. And the guy left and I was left here alone, cleaning all the paint that was going on the floor. It was a very bad day for me. Oh my god. But I managed to finish cleaning the paint which was on the floor at around 3 a.m. in the morning. I was so annoyed. I felt like, wow. I was somehow I was like regretting it, to tell you the truth. I felt like, wow. It was like a torture. But then, like, wow, it turned out great, manze. It turned out good. And everywhere is looking beautiful. And I'm still waiting for the fundi to come and fix some shelves, which I told him that, yeah, so I need those shelves in a corner because I want to redecorate that place, because somehow I'm feeling like that wall is really, really empty. So I just want to have that shelf for the books, and maybe I can redecorate it, and maybe you guys will see it. It will turn out great. Say hi, Rocky. Say hi, Loki. Loki, say hi. This is Loki. Yeah. Hey guys, it's like so many days have passed. We are done. I'm so happy and I'm so proud of myself. Like, we are done. Look at that. Look at that. That is brown. That is not black. And this is white. So guys, I am done painting, though it took me a while. It has been like a week or 10 days because I was waiting for the paint to dry off so that I can show you the outcome, and it came out very well and very nice. And I was also trying to clean the paint because there was a lot of paint down there, you can see there. And it's not yet I have not removed it. I have not removed all of the paint which went down on the floor, and I'm still working on that. So if you know how to remove paints on the floor, you just comment below and tell me how you can remove the paint from the tiles. So guys, this is the outcome. So let me show you the outcome. Painted there white, as you can see, and it came out very nicely. And I also painted this other wall. This is brown, guys. I don't know if you can see it properly. Yeah, this is brown, like it's dark brown. Oops, sorry. It's dark brown, and that is white on that wall. I have to paint that door also. I don't know which, yeah, I will just paint it white. So as you can see, it's looking really delicious. Oh my god, you see? So it's looking good, combined of brown and white, which I think it's so wonderful. You see, and that corner is looking like that. Let me show you from far. Yes, so you see, oh my god, look at that corner. Look at that corner, guys. It's looking so wonderful. Oh my god, look. So that's how it is. It's brown and white there, which is so freaking wonderful. Oh my god. That's how the wall is looking like. So on the top, that is white. I painted white there, and as you can see, that is brown and white brown, white with brown. This is good, man. These are the shelves that I was talking about, guys. You see, so you see, from this I put this white curtain, which is really wonderful. I bought it from Easily, and it's really wonderful. So I put these shelves here in this corner, and I'm still decorating the shelves. As you can see, I have put some few books, and it's looking really nice. Like, wow, I think this will be my perfect corner. And I also put that doll there, which I bought from Think Twice, and it's really nice. Here you see, here, that is paint. I touched there with the paint, and I will make sure to remove it. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like, I'm so proud of myself, guys. You know, like I have done something. I was trying to do something by myself, even though it failed. But you know, like, I'm really proud. You see this t-shirt, this African t-shirt? Yeah. So guys, look at, wow, it's looking so good. It's looking so nice. So guys, thank you so much for watching. May God bless you for me, please. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, guys. We need to see ads. We need to see ads in this channel, so you have to subscribe and support your girl here if you enjoyed this video and if this is your type of video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and until next time, ciao, goodbye.